Another day, another chocolate bar. Ah, really? Holy cannoli, I'm so lucky!
Sam, why did you open so many chocolate bars and not finish any of them?
Oh, Sue. Guys, long time no see. I'm not the slime I was before. Now I'm the head of the most gigantic chocolate factory in the world!
So what were you doing, blind tasting the main competitor's chocolate?
Sue, your friend is the main successor to Willy Wonka's great cause! I thought it all through. My signature product will be chocolate slimes.
Very interesting. And who's gonna produce them?
You, obviously.
Yeah, who else?
We should get started as soon as possible before my competitors steal the idea. The first batch of 1 million slimes must be ready today!
How many? Sam, I can't do that. Let's try to make one to start.
No, Sue, it's unacceptable. You see, we need to explode the market, make it really loud. Wait a minute, I've got an idea. Hi, guys. Which name will suit my company? What do you think? Please write your suggestions in the comments.
So, Sam, what is your brilliant business plan?
Oh, we're gonna make the biggest chocolate slime on Earth!
Oui?
We'll need a lot of white glue.
Yep, let's pour it out into our container.
No, Sue. Truly, can you imagine? There are only 5 golden tickets of Willy Wonka's in the whole world, and all of them were in my chocolate bars. If that's not a sign, I don't know.
Someone ate too much sugar.
Ha! What? Willy Wonka would appreciate my hobby.
Well, I think we'll all appreciate it soon. Meanwhile, bring the brown paint for us. Guys, would you like to work at Sam's Magic Chocolate Factory? Write in the comments.
Here's the paint. Isn't it perfect, huh?
Just what we need. Let's mix it well with the glue.
So yummy.
Sam, you understand it's inedible, right?
Inedible doesn't mean not tasty.
Glutton slime. You better bring me the last ingredient.
I've already prepared everything.
Great! Now, guys, we need to mix everything, especially well. I hope our detergent didn't seem edible to you.
Of course not. How silly do you think I am?
Well, I just think you like food too much.
There's no denying that. Why should the chocolate be left lying around?
Sam, wait, you'll miss the most interesting part.
Sue, who do you think I am? I'm a great businessman. I'm good at multitasking.
Oh, yeah? Can we expect a book with business tips written by you?
Why not? And not just business tips. I have a lot to give advice on.
Oh, no doubt, Sam. By the way, our slime is ready.
Oh, that's so tasty.
All right, what now?
Voila!
Wow, where did you find this?
I know some places.
You're not an ordinary slime.
Did you have any doubts?
Not even for a second.
We need to paint the jar with this color.
Got it.
And this paint is for the cover.
I can see you got down to business, seriously.
You bet. Great sweet deeds are ahead of us. My factory will be the most beautiful. I'm a bit hungry.
Well, in the case of Sam, it's those who will not work shall eat.
The main thing is that my factory will be the most magical. There you'll be able to find anything you've ever wanted but couldn't find.
Like huge Nutella?
Exactly. You like it?
Of course. Guys, do you remember how we cooked real Nutella? Did you watch that video? Tell us in the comments. By the way, Sam, did you know that chocolate wasn't always sweet? Actually, the word chocolate means bitter water in Aztec language.
Nonsense! You must be joking.
No, it's the absolute truth. Native Americans used to cover cocoa grains with water and blend them till the foam appeared. After that, they added hot chili pepper to the mixture.
What? Terrible. Sue, didn't they know that you should mix cocoa with milk?
No, can you imagine that?
That's because me and my chocolate factory weren't there.
Sam, sweetie, it was many thousands of years ago. And we're all set, look.
Wow, it's even better than I expected! Sue, you are my genius assistant.
Oh, Sammy, you're exaggerating.
Hey guys! Did you subscribe to our channel? Check it! Also, don't forget to hit the bell not to miss new cool videos!
Now let's open our gigantic Nutella jar.
Oh yes! Yes! Our legendary creation!
Sam, I'm afraid a spoon won't do.
So pour it out right on the table!
I'd never dare do this with real Nutella.
See? I considered everything.
Oh, it's so pleasant to the touch. And it looks like real Nutella, but without all the mess.
Sue, this is a whole chocolate sea with chocolate waves!
Just like at Willy Wonka's factory.
Huh. Actually, there was a river and a waterfall.
As you say, Sir Factory Master. Here's a waterfall.
We also need a chocolate cave!
That's more difficult. Although...
It'll work. Woo-hoo! Slick Slime Sam and his chocolate factory. What if... Geronimo! Oh, God.
Sam, I don't want to disturb you, but what about your batch of million slimes?
You know, Sue, I gave it some thought and changed my mind. We'll do it differently. We'll open a chocolate studio instead of the factory. We'll have a peace production.
This plan appeals to me, especially considering that I'm your only employee.
Guys, would you like some exclusive sweets from Sam? Write in the comments and suggest some cool stuff we can make together with Sue!
And subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up to support our startup. Bye-bye!